Milk, milk, beautiful milk. Yummy, yummy, yummy milk.
We are not on crack or drink or any other stuff.
We're on milk. We've been drinking lots and lots of milk.
Oh yeah, we have.
We can even prove it to you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's sugar. Oh, 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 sugar. Oh, sugar. Oh, oh, oh.
Why are we acting like we had sugar?
Oh, easy man. Oh, 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 oh. Fritos, Fritos. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yummy.
Gosh, Nara Ramen, how many people do you have around here?
Yeah.
Sounds like there's like 50 million.
Yes, there are.
Yay!
Oh, Cheerios. Oh, 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 Cheerios. Oh,
taco seasoning.
oh, 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 oh.
Hey, Nara Ramen, I think after this we should get tacos.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, crunchy. Oh, it's crunchy. Oh, crunchy. Oh,
Crunchy's the best.
oh, cashews. Oh, it's cashews. Cashews. What are we eating? Oh, it's Oreo Jello. Oh, Oreo Jello. Oh, 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 oh. He's really spazzing out.
Nara Ramen. I got milk all over taco.
It's Campbell's. Woo! Go Campbell's.
Campbell's. Do you have Frosted Flakes?
Do I have Frosted Flakes? No, I
They're
have.
more than good.
But I have Life cereal. Oh, 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 cinnamon. Oh, 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 oh. It's ramen. Oh, Naro likes ramen. Oh, oh, oh.
Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's butter. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh.
Eggs.
Oh, oh.
Tamales. Nothing on the milk left.
We already drank gallon, peoples.
Yeah. Oh, look, tamales.
Tamales. Oh, oh, yeah. It's a peace sign, dude.
Barbecue curd. Barbecue sauce.
Yo, guys,
Oh, barbecue sauce.
guys, why do you have a peace sign hanging in your fridge?
Because we cut off somebody's hand and stuck it in there.
You guys are mental!
Yeah, I know.
Yes, we are.
We decided to do that. Oh, it's the nacho cheese. Oh, I love Tostitos nacho cheese. Oh, yum.
Makes me just want to eat it.
Oh, yeah. Let's go get some spoons and eat it, dude.
Put it in the microwave.
Put it in the microwave.
Wait, my burrito's stuck.
Your burrito. Oh, it's a burrito.
Hey, it's really cold.
I can't see a thing. It's a camera turned off.
Ooh.
Woo. Dang, he's really on sugar milk high.
It was a haunted burrito.